Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to make a ringtone for your iPhone, or if you have FaceTime and if you have the new iPod Touch. Okay, here we go. First, pick the song you would like. You'd probably just have to scroll up a bit until you want to find a song. For example, This Weed Is Mine by Snoop Dogg. And all you have to do is go to that, but use 2 fingers to click that. Create an AAC version. Just wait till that converts. And then when it's done, like, create a place if you want and name it iPod Touch FaceTime Ringtones. Or you can just call it whatever you want. And then drag the song, which is this one, and name it just like This Weed Is Mine. Like, just cross out where it says feet with Khalifa. And then enter. And then you move it into the thing. Go to it. Go to File. Press Get Info. Leave just all that information. Go to Options. Just go back. And make it only goes for 30 seconds. Then do that and press OK. And then create an AAC version. And if you go back in here, you see it'll only be 30 seconds. So this is the ringtone one. So if you want, you can just like delete the one you just did. And then use this one. Now, I guess you just move this along. Move the ringtone version into the desktop. See, there it is. Then delete the actual thing. Then delete the playlist. Then just go to the song and if you want, let's see, new folder, iPod Touch, damn it, FaceTime ringtones. Then move this in. Then where it says M4A there, see there, just do that and just go that, take away the A and put it now, press enter. If you have a Mac, it'll come up with this. It might come up with something different if you have a different source of computer. Then click use M4R, and then click it. And there it is.
I wake up early in the morning and it feels so good. Smoking on some shit that you wish you could. Jealousy, envy, please don't feel bad. This weed is mine, get your own bag. A sack full of OG under lock and key. None for the homies, this is all for me. Got a blunt looking like a Cali palm tree. Police roll by, I got nothing on me. Cause the smoke's already in.
Okay, so that was how to create a ringtone. And okay, goodbye.